So today we're going to be looking at how you can save a Word document as plain text. This may be because you need to upload the document to a plagiarism checker or something along those lines. So all we want to do is click open our document, click file, save as, choose where we want to save it. I'm just going to save this locally on my desktop. I'm just going to put in here, so this is the text version. And then here in file format we want to click that. We want to click plain text. I want to click save. Now we will present it with this file conversion thing. Personally, I just want to click. You can see some of these other ones. I'm just going to leave it as the Mac OS default. You might just want to use, if you're on a Microsoft computer, you may want the Microsoft version. So next of all, I'm just going to leave these blank like that. Then all we're going to do is click OK. As you can see, this is now a text document on our file. And as you can see here, it looks very different to how it looks on the document. That's because all the formatting, all the pictures and all the other stuff has been removed. And this is basically so other programs can just scan the document. So that's how you do it. Please like, comment and subscribe.